In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive uploading files. If a file starts uploading at the wrong time or gets stuck, there are a few simple ways to stop it right away, especially when you're using Google Drive in Chrome. I'll walk you through what to try first, what to do if that doesn't work, and how to force a stop when things get stubborn. Start with the simplest approach. Cancel directly from the upload window. When a file is uploading in Google Drive on the web, look to the bottom right corner of your Chrome window. You should see a small panel that says Uploading. Click it to expand the list of files in progress. Next to each file, you'll see an X or a Cancel button. Click that to stop an individual file. If you've got several going at once, use the Cancel All option to stop everything. This method is fast and usually takes effect immediately. If the upload doesn't respond or you just want a quick reset, refresh, or close the tab, press the refresh button or hit F5 to reload Google Drive, which often breaks the connection and ends the upload on the spot. If you prefer, close the Google Drive tab entirely and reopen it. This interrupts the active upload without changing anything about your files on your computer. When cancel and refresh don't work, force a stop by turning off your internet temporarily. Toggle off Wi-Fi on your computer or phone, or disable mobile data. On a laptop, use the Wi-Fi icon to disconnect. On a phone, you can quickly switch off Wi-Fi or turn on airplane mode. The upload will pause immediately because there's no connection. After a few seconds, turn your internet back on and reopen Drive when you're ready. This is the most reliable emergency brake when an upload refuses to cancel. If a file seems stuck in the queue, open the upload window again and click Cancel on each file you see. Clearing the queue ensures nothing is waiting to resume. If Chrome itself feels frozen or unresponsive, close and restart the browser. That resets the upload session and your local files remain untouched. If you need the quickest possible stop, turn off Wi-Fi or mobile data or force close Chrome or the Drive app. Then, when you're ready to try again, reconnect and upload on your terms. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you take control of Google Drive uploads quickly and confidently.